Hello guys, welcome to my channel and another new video. So guys, today I have many colorful of toys here. So I'll introduce all of toys with you. So let's go, wasting any more time. There is the first one is here. Look at this guys. This is so nice and beautiful horse here, and this horse color is red and yellow color combination. So I collecting this one also at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a dove.
Things that produce a booming honking cry. In order to reach their wintering grounds in southern Europe and eastern Asia, whooper swans might travel hundreds or even thousands of kilometers. They reproduce in subarctic Euro-Siberia in the taiga zone farther south than Bewick's. Fewer than 5 pairs have mated there recently. They're uncommon breeders in northern Scotland, especially in Orkney. A few pairs have also bred there recently in Ireland. This bird occasionally strays into western North America and the Indian subcontinent. Swans from Iceland spend the winter in the UK and Ireland, particularly in the Wildfowl and Wetlands Trust of Royal Society for the Protection of Birds Nature Reserves for Wildfowl. They make loud, strident sounds that sound similar to Bewick swan calls, but are, on average, lower pitched and more resonant. Number 13. Shoebill. An extremely huge stork-like bird, the shoebill is also known as the whalehead, whale-headed stork, or shoebill stork. Its large shoe-shaped bill is where its name comes from. Its general shape is fairly stork-like, and because of this it was originally included with the storks in the order Sicaniformes. However, genetic data replaced it in the Pelicaniformes order, among herons and pelicans. The juveniles are more brown than the adults, which are mostly gray. It inhabits expansive marshes in tropical East Africa, from South Sudan to Zambia. Birdwatchers rank this
This is pink and paste color dove here, and it's so nice and beautiful dove here. So I collecting this dove also at this side here. Oh, there is the dump truck.
An electro dumper. It is a Komatsu 605 truck which has been converted into an electric vehicle incorporating high-performance lithium batteries. Its batteries have a capacity of 600 kilowatt-hours, and its motor develops a power of 789 horsepower. It can reach a speed of 25 miles per hour. It measures 30.5 feet in length by 13.7 feet in width and 14.4 in height. It weighs 123 tons.
Here guys, this is under construction vehicle dump truck. This is red, blue and black combination. So I collecting this one also at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a truck on Baco. And this color is a yellow and black with some red combination. So I collecting this city builders Baco at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a bus. This is orange color beautiful bus here. So I collecting this auto bus. This is orange color. So I collecting this one at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a DS Curse.
the Honda Civic Type R, the Ford Mustang GT Performance Pack 2, Audi GT RS, Aston Martin Vantage, Chevrolet Corvette CR1, Porsche GT2 RS, McLaren 720S, Lamborghini Huracan Performante, BMW M5, Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Dodge Challenger RT Scat.
And this DS car color is blue, pink and yellow something, so I collecting this one also at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a green company double-decker bus.
Maneuverable bus that has been manufactured in Slovakia. It is designed to carry people or cargo in extreme conditions through wet or muddy terrain. The bus is 8.7 meters long and weighs 13.4 tons. It has an engine with 290 horsepower and has a torque of 1,150 Newton meters. It can reach a limited maximum speed of 110 kilometers per hour and cross areas with water up to 90 centimeters deep. It has a fuel tank with a capacity of 300 liters and has space to transport a total of 37.
And this color is yellow color combination. And see, this sticker is Spider-Man car. Wow. So I collecting this bus also at this side here. There is another one is here. This is a Excavator. And this Excavator color is orange and black combination with some gray. So I collecting this one also at this side here. There is another one is here. Look at this, guys. This is R17 by This is high-speed R17 bike, and this color is fully yellow and black combination. And there is a next one is here. This is a police helicopter. And this police helicopter is a pink color, paste color and green color combination. So I collecting this one at this side here. And there is another one, and last one is here. This is a power vehicle. And this vehicle color is yellow and black combination. So I collecting this one at side here. So there is the vehicle, there is the bike here. This is Excavator, this is bus here, this is truck on vehicle also. There is the under construction dump truck. There is a green company bus double decker. This is a DS car. There is another one is a dove here. There is a horse here. So guys, today ending my video here, and see you soon with next time with many colorful of toys. Thank you so much.